Welcome to Om Sai Cooking Classes, and this is Chef Seema Gaware Patil from Nasik. Today we have launched a very amazing course, and it's a course of Pull Me Up Cake. So in this course, first I will teach you how to make variety of sponges, then sauces, and how to assemble these cake. Suppose if you are going to make all these cake for commercial purpose, then how to work on it, and if you are making for home purpose, then how to work. So let's see what are the variety you are going to learn in this course. So this is chocolate hazelnut pull me up cake. So in this course I will give you recipe according to tin size. I will give you near about 2 to 3 recipes so that you can even make bigger size pull me up cake also. Okay. So this is Kunafa pull me up cake. Then this is Biscoff pull me up cake. These cake are so amazing, so rich and very delicious. Then this is red velvet pull me up cake. Even you can sell these pull me up cake. I will show you how to assembling. And if you have a small cafe, then this dessert will be super hit in your cafe. This is chocolate pull me up cake. Then this is Rasmalai pull me up cake. So when you take the bite of this pull me up cake, you will feel the richness, creaminess, and even the crunch. When you take the bite, you will get the 3 flavor at one time. Then this is day and night pull me up cake. And this is strawberry pull me up cake. We have lakhs of students from India and all over the world who have joined our courses, and after joining our courses, they have started their small business from home and they are earning good money. And beside these online courses, we have our own brand of masala and premixes, that is Urban Foods. So if you are interested to buy our product of all masala and premixes, so please check the description box where I have given you the buying link. Okay, and even I have given you the contact number. And even if you want to buy these all product in bulk also, you can contact and buy all the products in bulk. So what are you waiting for? Just pick up your phone, dial our number and join your online course anytime, any place and anywhere. So let's see who will be the 2 lucky winners for this week. And when you join our any online course, you will get recipe PDF and video for lifetime access. Then you will get the certificate, and if you are having any doubt, you can contact us and solve your all queries. So in this way, you can join our online course anytime, any place and from anywhere. So first lucky winner is Anita Batra and second Vishaka Amruti. So congratulations both lucky winners. You can claim your free online course by contacting on below numbers. So see you next week with a new class, but before that, do like, share, subscribe to our channel.